Today, let's review the operations on integers. But before that, let's review the multiplication of positive and negative signs. First, we have positive times positive is equal to positive. And positive times negative is equal to negative. And negative times positive is equal to negative. And negative times negative is equal to positive. Now, always remember these rules for the operations on integers. Now, let's add and subtract integers with like signs. In our first example, we have positive 16 plus positive 16. And as you can see, there are no positive signs. But that is okay because in general, numbers without signs are positive. So we will be doing a simple addition. 16 plus 16 is equal to 32. Next, we have negative 1 plus negative 8. Remember that positive times negative is equal to negative. So we have negative 1 minus 8. And this is equal to negative 9. Remember, if the numbers have the same sign, all you have to do is add them. And then copy their sign. Next we have 15 minus 9. So, all we have to do is a simple subtraction. 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. Lastly, we have negative 6 minus negative 4. Remember that negative times negative is equal to positive. So, we have negative 6 plus 4. And negative 6 plus 4 is equal to negative 2. And now, since they have different signs, they have to subtract. And the number with a higher value will be the sign. Let us now answer addition and subtraction with unlike signs. In our first example, we have negative 19 plus positive 4. Remember that positive times positive is equal to positive. So we will have negative 19 plus 4 is equal to negative 15. Because since we have different signs, we will subtract and we will copy the sign of the number with higher value. Next, we have 14 plus negative 5. Remember that positive times negative is equal to negative. So we have 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. Next, we have negative 8 minus positive 12. Remember that negative times positive is equal to negative. So we have negative 8 minus 12 is equal to negative 20. Since we have the same sign, we will add and then copy their sign. Next, we have positive 11 minus negative 13. Remember that negative times negative is equal to positive. So we have 11 plus 13 is equal to 24. And that is how you can add and subtract integers with unlike signs. Let's answer multiplication and division of integers with like signs. So first we have positive 3 times positive 8. Remember that positive times positive is always positive. So 3 times 8 is equal to positive 24. Next we have negative 2 times negative 7. Remember that negative times negative is always positive. So we have 2 times 7 is positive 14. Next, we have 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. All we had to do there was simple division since both were positive. So positive divided by positive is equal to positive. Next, we have negative 72 divided by negative 6. Remember that negative divided by negative is always equal to positive. So 72 divided by 6 is equal to positive 12. And that is how you can multiply and divide with like signs. Let's answer multiplication and division of integers with unlike signs. In our first example, we have negative 3 times positive 8. Negative times positive is equal to negative. So, negative 3 times positive 8 is equal to negative 24. Next, we have positive 7 times negative 4. Remember that positive times negative is equal to negative. So, 7 times negative 4 is equal to negative 28. Next, we have negative 30 divided by positive 6. Negative divided by positive is equal to negative. So, negative 30 divided by positive 6 is equal to negative 5. Lastly, we have positive 81 divided by negative 9. Positive divided by negative is equal to negative. So, positive 81 divided by negative 9 is equal to negative 9. And that is how you can multiply and divide integers with unlike signs. And that is all you need to know in the operations of integers. That is all for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.